Engcon Sweeper Roller. Removing snow from hard-to-reach places is much easier and faster if you choose the right equipment for the task. A good option is a rotating brush from the Swedish company Engcon, designed to work in combination with an excavator. The tilt rotator technology increases the operator's control over the machine's actions, improving accuracy and expanding its capabilities. The hydraulic motor provides power, and the chain drive allows you to easily adjust the rotation speed. There are 5 models to choose from, with working widths varying from 31.5 to 78.7 inches. Thanks to a fairly wide model range, customers have the option to purchase the right brush for any specific excavator. The series is suitable for machines weighing from 6 to 30 tons. In addition, the sweeper roller is also suitable for clearing sand, gravel, rocks, and debris. And the last special feature is that the brush is part of a special system developed by Engcon. It attaches to the tilt rotator, which is compatible with more than 15 other attachments of the brand. FlexiFinger Quicker Picker. Before any construction or agricultural work, the soil must be properly treated by removing stones, debris, and other solid objects. Traditionally, special stone pickers are used for this purpose. They can have a different design. This one in particular is notable for the fact that it's designed to work with a skid loader. A distinctive feature of this machine is how compact it is. The diameter of the rotating drum is 69 inches and the length is 48 inches. Due to the tight arrangement of the bars on the drum, the machine can pick stones ranging in size from 2.5 to 34 inches. The rotating design has advantages over the traditional design. The stones hit each other, thus automatically clearing away excess soil, allowing less unwanted material to be picked up. In addition, thanks to the hydraulic motor and gear system, there's no need for lubrication and almost no need for maintenance. Reptail MM. The next machine we're going to talk about is a road grader developed by the Finnish engineers of Reptail. Its purpose is to distribute loose materials on the ground or other surfaces. The Reptail MM's working width varies from 130 to 189 inches. The thickness of the layer to be placed is also adjustable from 0 to 14 inches. An optional retractable frame increases this figure to 20 inches. The Reptail MM operates without problems at an angle of up to 6 degrees. The developers claim that the Reptail MM is a revolutionary machine in its field. Its unique design allows it to cope with tasks up to 50% faster than with traditional methods. It also consumes fuel up to 40% slower. Finally, the high paving accuracy saves up to 20% in material. All in all, this road grader has a capacity of up to 800 tons per hour. Eccentric Ripper. The Eccentric Ripper is a one-of-a-kind tool developed in Spain. Normally, hydraulic hammers are used to crush rocks before digging, but the Eccentric Ripper, when attached to an excavator, uses patented energy accumulation technology. This feature allows the equipment to work 80% more efficiently than any hydraulic hammer on the market. Wear-resistant steel was chosen as the main material. Thanks to this, the developers were able to reduce the need for maintenance. In addition, the Eccentric Ripper makes much less noise than any other similar earth-moving equipment. The manufacturer offers 7 models. The most powerful is the XR122, designed for excavators from 100 to 140 tons. It provides a working pressure of 30 megapascals. The range of applications of the Eccentric Ripper is truly enormous. It's perfect for quarrying, mining, tunneling, ditching, and crushing cement products for secondary use. Finally, the tool is suitable for working underwater and in sub-zero temperatures. Barber Surf Rake. Keeping a public beach tidy is only possible if the sand is regularly cleaned, and it is for this purpose that the following equipment was invented. The surf rake from the American company Barber is a beach sweeper that works along with a tractor. It picks up the top layer of sand, sifts it on the move, removing any debris, and then pours it back. The manufacturer offers 3 different size models. The largest, the 600 HD, is 7 feet wide and has a capacity of 9 acres per hour. A 4,500-pound trash bucket allows for less frequent interruptions for unloading. Also, it can be raised by 9 feet, which makes emptying it much easier. The other 2 models, while more compact in size, also show very good performance, 7 and 5 acres per hour. Delta FR28. Equipment attachments are used for a variety of purposes, for example for dismantling tasks. The Delta FR28 is a hydraulic shear whose power reserve allows it to crush concrete and separate it from the rebar. These machines are usually used to dismantle buildings and different structures. They prepare the material for further processing in crushing and screening plants. This particular model has a reinforced design, thanks to which it offers a high performance and load resistance. The Delta FR28 also has newly designed and reinforced spikes on both jaws for greater braking power. The cutting diameter is 1.77 inches, the jaws open 36.6 inches. The force generated on the front tooth is 121 tons, and on the blades is 363 tons. The last important feature is that the hydraulic shear is versatile. It allows the operator to perform both primary demolition and secondary shredding. Impulse SV400. When a structure is erected on a pile foundation, the following product comes into play. The SV400 is a machine designed for cutting the caps of reinforced concrete piles. The device effectively destroys protective concrete layers, exposing the reinforcement and preparing it for further processing. It is very important that the reinforcement is not damaged or deformed in the process of destruction. The manufacturer, the Russian company Impulse, claims it has a low noise level and high productivity. The latter amounts to 200 pile caps per 8-hour work shift. The model is designed for excavators weighing 12 tons. It works with concrete piles of 12 to 16-inch section. The maximum force generated is 63,000 foot-pounds. Flegel Wood King Duo. Finally, let's talk about this piece of equipment designed for public services. Its functionality includes trimming trees and bushes along roads, as well as cleaning fields overgrown with small vegetation. The most outstanding technical feature is the 86.6-inch working width. It significantly increases the speed of work, and thanks to the powerful hydraulic drive and hardened steel cutting discs, the equipment can handle branches up to 10 inches in diameter. Another interesting feature is the retractable arm, which allows cutting trees along the roadway without interfering with traffic. The operating speed is 5 miles per hour. The last important feature is that the Wood King Duo can work along with a tractor, as well as a front loader or a telescopic handler. The manufacturer is the German company Flegel.